Meaning of esteem.
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 Esteem. Esteem refers to the respect and admiration that one person has for another person or themselves. It involves recognizing someone's worth and appreciating their qualities, achievements, and abilities. Esteem is an important component of self-esteem, which is the evaluation and perception of one's own worth and value. Having high self-esteem and being held in high esteem by others can result in increased confidence, better performance, and greater overall satisfaction in life. Conversely, low self-esteem and low esteem from others can lead to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression.